ठीक आहे. सबसेट and proper subset. A equal to what? 1 2 3. B equal to what? 1 2 3. Subset definition what? Every element of a set A is also an element of a set B. Then we say that A is subset of B. Here A is subset of B. A is subset of B. But proper subset definition what? If A proper subset definition what? A is subset of B and A not equal to B. A not equal to B. Then A is proper subset of B. Then we say that A is proper subset of B. Then we say that A is proper subset of B. Here A is subset of B, but A and B are same. A and B are same. Therefore we can't say that A is proper subset of B. Therefore we can't say that A is proper subset of B. आपण असं म्हणू शकत नाही A is proper subset of B. का proper subset होत नाही? Because कंडिशन काय म्हणते A is subset of B. A B चा सबसेट असला पाहिजे. अजून एक कंडिशन काय? A and B सेम नको आहेत. सेम नसतील तर आपण म्हणू शकतो A इज प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ B. म्हणजे इथं काय होतंय A हा B चा सबसेट आहे, बट A अँड B बोथ आर सेम. वाय सेम? 1 2 3 1 2 3 बोथ आर सेम. देअरफॉर वी कांट से दॅट A इज प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ B. म्हणजेच मला सांगायचं काय होतं, जर हियर सांगायचं काय होतं, जर A B चा सबसेट असेल तर तो A चा प्रॉपर सबसेट A चा प्रॉपर सबसेट होईल असं राहील. हे चुकीचं आहे. बट ही कंडिशन ट्रू होती A इज प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ B. A जर B चा प्रॉपर सबसेट असेल तर तो A इज सबसेट ऑफ B असतोच. तर तो A इज सबसेट ऑफ B असतोच. A इज प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ B, then A is subset of B. It is true. But we can't say that A is subset of B. Then we can't say that A is proper subset of B. म्हणजे काय होतंय, A जर B चा सबसेट असेल तर तो प्रॉपर सबसेट होईलच असं नाही. पण A जर B चा प्रॉपर सबसेट असेल तर तो सबसेट ऑफ B ऑलरेडी असतोच. नाउ नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन, इक्वॅलिटी ऑफ टू सेट्स. इक्वॅलिटी ऑफ टू सेट्स. टू सेट्स आर इक्वल. आपण केव्हा म्हणणार दोन सेट्स इक्वल केव्हा म्हणणार? ठीक आहे, वी नो दॅट A is subset of B. Then what? Every element of A is also an element of B. असं आपण म्हणू शकतो. And here A is subset of B. Then आपण काय म्हणू शकतो, every element of A is also an element of B. 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 Where A is subset of B. Similarly, if I say B is subset of A, B is subset of A, A subset B असेल असं पण असू शकतो. B is subset of A. Now then what we say that every element of B is also an element of A. Statement काय येईल, every element of B is also an element of A. Every element of B is also an element of A. Is also an element of A. ठीक आहे. A is subset of B असेल तर म्हणतो आपण every element of A is also an element of B. सिमिलरली जर B पण A चा सबसेट असेल, B is subset of A, then काय होतंय, every element of B is also an element of A. म्हणजे काय झालं, दोघांचे एलिमेंट्स काय झाले, सेम. देन वी से दॅट दिस कंडिशन, देन वी से दॅट इम्प्लाइज A इक्वल टू B. A इक्वल टू B मीन्स इक्वॅलिटी ऑफ सेट. म्हणजे काय, A हा B चा सबसेट आहे. सिमिलरली B पण जर A चा सबसेट असेल, इफ A इज सबसेट ऑफ B and B is also subset of A, then we say that these two sets are equal. These two sets are equal, equality of that two sets. Then we say that A equal to B. Simple. A is subset of B, B is subset of A. Then we say that A equal to B. Then we say that A equal to B. Now, then we say that A equal to B. Now take next point. This is what equality of two sets. Equality of two sets. Subset. Then next proper subset, superset, equality of two sets, equality of two sets. A is subset of B, A is subset of B असेल तर ए हा बीचा प्रॉपर सबसेट असेलच हे सांगता येत नाही. बट ए जर बीचा प्रॉपर सबसेट असेल तर आपण म्हणू शकतो ए हा बीचा सबसेट आहेच आणि तो ऑलरेडी असतोच. ठीक आहे. नाव नेक्स्ट वन इज युनिव्हर्सल सेट. नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन इज युनिव्हर्सल सेट. वी नो दॅट what do we know that? We know that set of natural numbers n and set of integers z. We know that. What do we know that? Set of natural numbers and set of integers are the subsets of set of real numbers. Are the subsets of set of real numbers. Means what? N is subset of R and also what? Z is subset of R. Z is subset of R. Z is subset of R. Obviously it is true. Set of natural numbers what? 1 to up to so on. Set of integers what? 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 up to so on. And set of real numbers what? All numbers except what? Complex number. Okay. It is always true. Natural number set is subset of R. We know that. Set of integers this is also subset of R because every element of Z is also an element of R. We know that. What do you know that? Every natural number is also a real number. Similarly, every integer is also a real number. We say that. Means what? N is subset of R, Z is subset of R. Set of natural numbers and set of integers are the subsets of set of real numbers. But we can't say that set of real number is subset of set of integers or naturals. ठीक है. इधर क्या होता है? This no matter. Simple universal set definition what? Here natural number is subset of R, set of integers is also subset of R. Therefore we say that set of real numbers is the universal set of N and R. We say that set of real numbers is the universal set of natural numbers and set of integers. Condition what? Natural number is subset of real number. Integers is also subset of real numbers. Here real number what? मोठा सेट होते म्हणजे त्याला आपण काय म्हणू शकतो? इट इज अ युनिव्हर्सल सेट. युनिव्हर्सल सेट डेफिनेशन व्हॉट? असा सेट की तो सेट सर्वात मोठा असतो. अजून काय? तो सेट सर्वात मोठा. वन मोर कंडिशन इज दॅट रिमेनिंग त्याच्याबरोबर जे सेट्स येतील ते ऑलवेज सबसेट ऑफ त्या सेटचे त्या सेटचे सबसेट असतील. तो सर्वात सेट मोठा असेल. ठीक आहे. तेव्हा आपण त्याला काय म्हणणार? Universal set. And universal set always denoted by the letter U and X. Universal set always denoted by the letter U and X. Another example if I take X equal to set containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These X takes. The next step, if I take set A equal to set containing 1, 2. If I take B set containing 2, 4. The next step, if I take another set C, set containing elements 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Now here we observe that. What we observe that here set X is 1 to 5. This longest set. Now one more condition we observe that A equal to set what have 1, 2. A is subset of X. Every element of A is also an element of X. A is subset of X. Similarly, B equal to set containing elements what? 2, 4. B also say subset of X. Why? Because every element of B is also an element of X. Next what? C set 1, 2, 1, 3, 5. This also subset of X. Why subset of X? Every element of C is also an element of X. Therefore we say that X is the universal set. And these are the subsets of that universal set. युनिव्हर्सल सेट म्हणजेच काय? युनिव्हर्सल सेट असा सेट तो सर्वात सेट मोठा असतो. अजून काय? जे रिमेनिंग त्याच्याबरोबर सेट येतील ते सेट त्या सेटचे ऑलवेज सबसेट्स. देन वी से दॅट दिस इज व्हॉट? युनिव्हर्सल सेट. युनिव्हर्सल सेट अँड युनिव्हर्सल सेट ऑलवेज डिनोटेड बाय द कॅपिटल लेटर U and X. नाउ टेक नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन इज पावर सेट. Suppose we have set A. Suppose we have A is any set. No matter. A is any set. Then the collection of all the subsets. Of a set A is called the power set of A. power set of A. Power set definition not. Suppose A is any set. A is any set. Then the collection of all the subsets of set A is called the power set of A, and it is denoted by the letter P of A. It is denoted by P of A. It is denoted by P of A. Clear? Suppose A is any set, then the collection of all the subsets of a set A is called the power set of A, and it is denoted by P of A. For example, if I take A equal to set containing 1, 2, 3. It is a set. Now power set, then P of A, then power set of A elements for this. Definition not power set. All the collection of all the subsets of a set A. The collection of all the subsets of a set A is called the power set of A. म्हणजे काय, हा A सेट आहे, त्याचे जे सर्व सबसेट असतील त्यांचे कलेक्शन केल्यानंतर जो सेट मिळेल तोच काय पॉवर सेट ऑफ ए. म्हणजे काय, सबसेट्स ऑफ ए विच वन सबसेट्स काय येतील, एम्प्टी सेट. फर्स्ट कंडिशन, एम्प्टी सेट इज ऑलवेज सबसेट ऑफ एनी सेट. एम्प्टी सेट हा सर्वांचा सबसेट असतोच. म्हणजे काय, 5 is subset of that set. The next term, if I take 1, this is also subset of that A set A. Similarly, if I take 2, this is also subset of that set because these elements in that. The next, if I take 3, this is also subset of that. Then next, if I take 1, 2, the next, if I take 1, 3, the next, if I take 2, 3, 2, 3. And last, if I take 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is also subset of that. We know that every set is subset of itself. Therefore, this is also subset of that. Now, the collection of all the subsets of a set A is called the power set of A. Therefore, collection is this collection. Therefore, we say that this is the power set of that set A. Power set of that set A. The collection of all the subsets of a set A is called the power set of A. This is what power set of that A. So all the subsets, हे जे सर्व आहेत एलिमेंट्स ते काय आहेत, A चे सबसेट्स आहेत. Therefore we say that the collection is called the power set of A. We call it as power set of A. Power set of A. Now next point, operations on sets. Complement of a set. First one is complement of a set. 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 Complement of set. Complement of a set. Definition not complement of a set. Suppose if I take a set A, and one more one, U is you want universal set also U necessary. Complement, in complement there is one set and there is universal set also over there. Now if I say definition not, let U be the universal set. Let U be the universal set. Universal कोणताही असू शकतो. Let U be the universal set and let A be the subset of universal set U. Let U be the universal set and let A be any subset of universal set U. A be any subset of universal set U. Then the complement of a set A. Then the complement of a set A is denoted by A dash or AC. A dash or AC. Then the complement of a set A is denoted by A dash or AC, and it is the set. It is the set containing all x such that all the x which are belongs to the universal set U, but which does not belongs to the set A. But which does not belongs to the set A. Which does not belongs to the set A. Then you say that this set is called the complement of set A. Complement of set A. Simple. Let U be the universal set and let A be any subset of universal set U. A be any subset of universal set U. Then the complement of a set A is denoted by A dash or AC, and it is the set containing all element x such that x belongs to the set U but x does not belongs to A, then that set is called the complement of that set A. सिंपल. म्हणजे कोणता सेट येतो, असे एलिमेंट की ते एलिमेंट यू मध्ये असतील पण ए मध्ये असतील. और सिंपल ए मधले एलिमेंट सर्व एक्सेप्ट करायचे, जे राहिलेतील जे एलिमेंट्स यू मध्ये आहेत. ठीक आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इफ आय से फॉर एक्झाम्पल इफ यू टेक लेट u equal to universal set, if I take 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, I say u is universal set. And next let a equal to set containing, if I take set containing 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 8, this is A. Then find a complement. Then find a complement. We know that a complement what? A complement is the set containing all elements in U which are not in A. म्हणजे U मधील सर्व एलिमेंट्स, U मधील असे एलिमेंट की ते A मध्ये नसतील. और सिंपल ए मध्ये जेवढे एलिमेंट आहेत ते सोडायचे, जेवढे यू मध्ये राहतील ते घ्यायचे. तुझं म्हणजे काय यू, तेच म्हणजे काय ए कॉम्प्लिमेंट. ठीक आहे. ए कॉम्प्लिमेंट इज द सेट कंटेनिंग ऑल एलिमेंट्स विच आर इन यू बट डज नॉट बिलॉंग्स टू ए. म्हणजे काय देईल 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 8 यायचे नाहीत. रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स इन ए कॉम्प्लिमेंट विच वन 0 1 3 5 7. This is what complement of set A. This is what A complement of set A. Simple. Complement of set A. Example what? Let U be the universe set U equal to 0 to 8 elements, containing 0 to 8 elements. Then next A set containing elements 2 4 6 8. Then A complement equal to set containing all elements which are in U but does not belongs to A. म्हणजे कोणते येतात 0 इन यू बट नॉट इन ए, 1 इज इन यू बट नॉट इन ए, 3 कंटेनड इन यू बट नॉट इन ए, 5 कंटेनड इन यू बट नॉट इन ए, and 7 also contained in U but not in A. Therefore we say that collection is called complement of that set. Now next one is union of sets. Union of two sets. Suppose we have two sets A and B. Suppose we have any two sets A and B. Then the union of these two sets. Is denoted by A union B. Then the union of these two sets is denoted by A union B and is defined as set containing the elements x such that this x belongs to either A or B. X belongs to B. That we call union of two sets. Suppose we have two sets A and B. Then the union of these two sets is denoted by A union B and is the set containing all x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. We say that this union of two sets. Now example of union of two sets. Suppose for example A equal to set containing, suppose if I take A equal to set containing 1 2 3 and if I take B equal to set containing 1 2 4 5 and 7. These two sets A and B, these are two sets. Then the union of these two sets A union B is what? Union means what? Simple two sets जे दोन सेट असतील ते एकत्र करायचे. तोच म्हणजे काय होतो युनियन ऑफ दॅट टू सेट्स. जे दोन सेट्स आहेत त्यांचे एलिमेंट्स एकत्र करायचे, तोच म्हणजे काय होतो युनियन ऑफ दॅट टू सेट्स. मीन्स ए युनियन बी दोघांचे युनियन म्हणजे एलिमेंट्स एकत्र करायचे. म्हणजे 1 2 3 आणि तिकडची कोणती 4 5 7 काय होणार 1 2 3 ए आणि हा सेट बी तो सुद्धा एकत्र करणार आपण बट बी एकत्र करणार आहे पण हिअर 1 and 2 ऑलरेडी हिअर देअरफॉर वी कांट राईट दिस 4 5 7 हिअर 4 5 7 दिस इज कॉल्ड द युनियन ऑफ these two sets union of two sets we say that this is the union of two sets